I started growing this beard back on or around the 29th of July, and the last 3 months have gone very fast. The beard growth has been really impressive so far, better than any other beard I've ever attempted to grow out. If any of you have been following this year journey, you'll know that every month, or at the end of every month, I tend to do a bit more of a chilled out, sort of conversational type video. And this is what this is going to be. It's going to kind of be a ramble. We're not really talking about anything crazy. I'm not really giving you any tips. I'm probably not even giving too much value, but I just like sitting down in front of the camera, just talking about the differences or the changes that I've experienced over the last sort of 4 or 5 weeks of this month. So let's talk about that. So I'm Daniel. I started Project Yeared, like I said, on the 29th of July, and I'm growing out a yeared, so a beard for a year. And I'm going to be growing that out without really trimming it whatsoever. I can do the cheek lines, I can fade in the sideburns. I'm not trimming anywhere else on the beard. So if you want to follow the journey, if you want to get some tips on your beard, how to look after it, what products are good, so it saves you a bit of money as well, because I'm going to tell you what's good, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and hit like if you like me rambling on. Obviously in this video, I mean, I won't judge you for liking the video. So one thing I really noticed in the last 4 or 5 weeks is my beard is completely gone of any patches whatsoever. I've always suffered a bit with patchiness, especially under the chin region. It's just always been an area that's never had much growth, but it's completely filled in now. In addition to that, the cheek line sometimes used to get a bit sparse. It might have been because I was shit at trimming the cheek line and always took too much off. I don't really do much now. I let my barber line it in, and then I just trim it up a little bit just to make sure it stays tidy, so I trim it every sort of few days. But the beard has grown and got really full and thick. Maybe just in the last 2 weeks, it feels like a proper full-on beard now. I feel like I've got a decent full beard. It's still quite short. Maybe it's a medium length beard now. The mustache. That mustache has grown crazy amounts. I mean, when I did the yeared, kind of yeared a year or so ago, my mustache game was shocking. I decided to trim it after about 4 weeks. It was a shit decision. I ruined the mustache. It could never really catch up with the rest of the beard growth. It looked crap for ages. I kept trimming it, kept making it square, kept just making it shit. And then I grew it out, trimmed the rest of the beard. I had a beard stash for a bit and loved it. But this time the mustache within 3 months has become an absolute monster of one. Like, I can get curls. I've been training it. I'm going to do a video very soon on training the mustache and like about mustache waxes, because actually at present all I use in my mustache is beard oil. Like the last 2-3 weeks I've only used beard oil. I've not used any balms, I've not used any butters. I've just been using beard oil as my daily products, and I've been loving it. But the mustache is getting a little bit out of control now. It's starting to fall over the lip. When I drink a cappuccino or a flat white, don't judge me coffee purists out there, because I mean, you just need to love a frothy coffee in your life at some point. It gets all over the mustache and it just looks a bit shit when you're trying to drink a drink at work or just in public. You need to like dab your mustache. Anyway, I need some mustache wax to sort out this mustache. I'm gonna go with a beard brand one. I've been eager to try that stuff out. I'm gonna get 4 Vices Gold Line mustache wax. I might pick up a couple other mustache waxes. If anyone who has a beard care company wants to send me a mustache wax to try, I'm all game. And I'm definitely going to be making my own mustache waxes. I've got a few formulas that I was working on, so I'll make some how-to videos, DIY beard care videos on that, to try and help you out if you want to have some fun at home. Guys, I think that's all I wanted to talk about, really. I want to talk about the beard growth being crazy, the mustache growth being crazy, my plans for the mustache. I'll leave you with that. It's been fun having your attention. We'll see you very soon. Like in a day or 2 or 3, or just we'll see you very soon. Goodbye.